Homemade French fries are to die for, but they take a little bit of extra time, so I'm getting them started early. All right, I'll give these final 4 potatoes a quick rinse. I've peeled actually 5 pounds in total, and I've kept the potatoes soaking in water to keep them from discoloring in the meantime. Now, cutting French fries, there are lots of different ways to go about it. You can cut them by hand, and I just make several slices. You can go as thick or as thin as you want when you're slicing for French fries. I kind of like them on the thin side. I like lots of that crispy surface area. So after you make slices, just stack up about half the potato and then just make slices of the stacks. Now, one of the secrets of perfect French fries is soaking them in water. I've got about 2 hours to soak them. That's about the minimum amount of time that you want to soak them in water. When you soak French fries in water before frying them, it takes off a little bit of the starches on the outside that can cause a problem when you fry them. All right, I'm gonna get these in the fridge, let them soak, and then the guys will be back and it'll be time to fry them.
You're ready to eat when we get up there, won't you?
Yeah.
One of the most important things when you're making fries at home is to dry them really well before you fry them. Water and hot oil do not mix very well. Some of my darkest moments have involved putting wet things into hot oils. Now, the secret to perfect French fries is to double fry them. So I've got the oil on 300 degrees, and I'm just gonna carefully drop in the potatoes and fry them pretty slowly for about 5 minutes. I'll just stir them around so they're all separated and they won't stick together. I used to make homemade French fries by just plunging them in hot oil and frying them until they were brown. But they always seemed to be a little bit flimsy. They never got that really crisp surface. This double frying method achieves that. All right, now I'm just gonna crank the temperature up on the oil. And the oil's at 400, so I'm gonna fry these a second time. They're just gonna take a few minutes to finish frying. They'll get nice and golden brown really quickly, so don't take your eyes off of them. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and start taking them out. Ah, look at those beautiful babies. You can let them go a little more if you like fries to be browner and a little more crisp, but they're gonna keep cooking just a little bit after you take them out of the oil.